is open. It's wonderful. There's typically, you see those food trucks over there. The food trucks are great, and this is like food truck alley basically. So I see 5 food trucks that are over there, and look how far this stretches. So this is just a great area. I'm actually going to walk it a little bit, and then we're going to end up in another section of Uptown. So if you're working in the office and you're working for Bain and Company, you're really going to have a lot of great choices that you could quickly walk to grab lunch, and it'd be fun. But also, as I was mentioning, you're going to have options to where you could really live and either walk or take the trolley to get to your office. That is a highly desired goal of the Uptown, living in the Uptown area and for young professionals. So you've got that covered really nicely here. Isn't this park beautiful? This is, by the way, this time of day is about 11 o'clock. So you're getting, kind of the day traffic. See what it looks like. And there it is, Clyde Warren Park, y'all. Okay, so this is like I was saying, the edge of Uptown, and so if we keep walking this direction, we're going to be back on McKinney Avenue, and McKinney Avenue is where all the fun is. So I just wanted you to see a bit of the area, just how pretty this area is, and I want to encourage you also to check out the other videos that we've done of Uptown. Check out the Pearl area, check out the McKinney Avenue video area, check out the West Village. Those are all choices that you can enjoy, you could live at, and then you could easily get to work during the days that you do report to the office. Okay, y'all, I hope you've enjoyed this. And y'all have a terrific day, and when you get ready to find your apartment, I also encourage you to check out our apartment videos, and we're going to tell you in detail and show you the best apartments in the area by video, by camera, by just pictures, and in ways that really nobody else does. So make sure to check out our apartment videos as well. Hey, you have a great day, and talk to you soon.